Hello everyone, once again I come back on your ONT channel. My name is Programming Adventure. The last few months I'm not uploaded any video on my channel. So today I'm uploading one project which is based on Python. This is very easiest, very most famous game. The name is Tic-Tac-Toe. Okay, so first actually I'm explain how to do it. So first you start your Python IDE. You know how to start a Python IDE. Click on Windows button, type IDLE. It's automatically Python ideally prompt. It's open. You have to write some code. So actually, I write a code on my Python cell. Just I want to see, yeah, it exists or not. The name of the cell is tick. Yeah. Open the source code of. I'm opening the source code of Tic-Tac-Toe. Yeah. This is a line of code which is written and which is a perform Tic-Tac-Toe operations. So let's execute this code. It's work or not, but at the first time if you install or run this code, the one error you will get is kind of a numpy error. So how to install numpy error, just have to visit just to how to do this with the help of control O. When you open control O, yeah, then click on the URL of this, yeah, control A and control C, and press Windows, yeah, minimize it and click on minimize button. Yes, I click on the minimize button. I'm clicking on this PC options. Okay, in this PC option I am clicking on C drive. I'm just entering here the URL, just copy from there. Okay, I'm copying the URL, just copy from there, yeah, and press slash. There is one option, there is script, yeah, you can colon script, double click on, control all the contains, or we can all the folders, and type cmd on it. That's one pop should be occur, and type here pip install numpy. Yeah, it's already exists in my system, so it will be show it's already exist. You are using people versions available. Yeah, in my PC the people versions available. So let's it's time to execute this code. I'm run it on this what sounds it here. Yeah, I get it. A framework of Tic-Tac-Toe, and click on x0 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 x0. Yeah, you can see that here who is win is a O is win, and there is player x, which is x is 0. Just like the boolean statement true or false, once the x is win, it's in the front of them, in the front of colon, the one should be occur, or in this case, in my case, the O should be occur because it's win the match. So it's a indications 1, and there is match is who is win the match. That's why the tie is here 0. Click here to play once again a match. So you get this x0 x0 x0. You get this. I think x is win the match. So you can here the player 2 win one time, player 1 win one time. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Definitely in the next video explain the different line of code, how to write a line of code, explain all the line of code, what's the windows, which input file I'm using, how to write this code, and explain all the content inside it. Okay, thank you for watching this video.